All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrencies. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card from BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, 6-in-1 miners, buying the coin and hoping it goes to the moon, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about one of the best projects on the internet so far in the last 10, 15 days, BUSD crop yield farmers. That's right, this project is doing fantastic. They got 4 plans. We're going to go over the 4 plans. I'm going to make a claim on film so you can see me claiming some money. Pretty happy with this project. All right, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos, or go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, one day own it, have a couple projects, at least be able to know how to analyze it. All right, this project is formed from the BUSD crop farmers. The starters are BUSD crop farmers, and all the farmer projects started this BUSD crop yield farmers. Let's head on over. All right, here we go. BUSD crop yield farmers. It's live. There's a balance of $302,000 in there. I actually put a deposit of $781. I'm going to claim on film. I got an approval for $5,000. And right now there's $25 in my account to withdraw. I'm going to go ahead and withdraw that. Don't have any referrals. If any of you like this, go ahead and try this. You're going to see that it's a fantastic project. All right, 4 different plans. Plan 1, it's a 2% daily, 200-day plan, 400% ROI. Minimum, you have to put 30 BUSD in. The maximum you could put in is 6,000 BUSD. You can compound it and get 5%. Plan number 2, 2.5% daily, 90-day, only 90 days, 225% ROI. Just so you know, whatever you put in, you can't get out. It's locked in there. It's burned. However you want to look at it, you get your rewards back. So this 225 is getting your money back. You're getting 225% of what you put in. Okay, but you're not putting, if you put 500 in, you just can't go get your 500 tomorrow. You have to get your rewards at 2.5%. Plan number 3, get 3% back daily. It's a 60-day plan, 180% ROI. It's got a minimum of 50 BUSD. The maximum you could put in is 10,000. And you can compound and get 5% bonus on the compounds. Plan 4, a lot of folks are liking Plan 4 because it's the shortest. It's a 40-day, get 3.5% back, 140% ROI, minimum investment of 60 BUSD, a maximum of 12,000. All right, so before we go any further, let's go ahead and claim some of this. So look at, I put 781 in. I've already got 188 back. Actually, I can go down here and look at, I got 184 days left on this one, which is a 200-day plan. I have 24 days left on this one, which is the 40-day plan right here. And I have 79 days left on this one, which is the 90-day plan. So I have 3 plans going. I've already claimed 188 of my 788. Let's go ahead and withdraw this $25. Get some more of my money back. Fantastic. Here we go. Let's claim this little bad boy. So now it's going around and around. You're going to see this 188 is going to go up. So let's see what happens here. This 25 will go away in a second. You take 7 to 10 seconds and you see something pop up on the screen. Here comes the, oh, there it is. It's gone. Now there's $211. So now I put 781 in. I've already got 211 back. So let's look at it this way. I put 200 in this plan. I've already got my whole 200 back. I actually got 211 back, but again, it's combined. So let's look at these combined things. So there's 4 plans. I chose to do 3 of them so far. I put 200 BUSD in this plan. Again, it's for 200 days, and it's been going, I got 184 days left. I put $69 in this plan, plan number 4, and I only have 24 days left. After this is gone, I'll be paid out of my plan 4. On plan number 2, I put $512 in. I got 79 more days left. If you added these 3 up, that's right here. I put a whole 781 in. I've already received 211 back. Daily, I get my money. Okay, so I kind of waited until I did this video so you can see it. But literally daily, I get money to do this. Now, if you let it go for a few days, that's fine. Let's talk about some of the project details. All right, Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Also, again, share this with your friends. Send them a text message of this. It helps the algorithm. Put a comment in the bottom. It helps their algorithm so more and more people can see this. Crypto is down right now. I mean, Bitcoin is down. Ethereum is down. Everything is down. This is paid out in BUSD. I don't have to worry about waking up tomorrow and it being down 20%. I don't have to worry. Even my Diamond Team's V2, I love it, but it's paid out in BNB, and BNB is down right now. It was around 300, then it was around 290, and today it's at 275. So even BNB is down. BUSD is not down. This is a fantastic project. Share it with your friends. Go ahead and use my link in the bottom. Give it a try. I mean, some of these are a $30 minimum. Again, I'm not a financial planner. I'm just doing this as educational purposes only. My DeFi journey, documented it. Let's head back over to some stats. All right, here we go. Plan number 1, 2%, 200 days, 400% return. Plan number 2, 2.5%, 2.5%, 225 return. Plan number 3, 3%, 180 return. Plan number 4, 3.5%, 140% return. Withdrawals are subject to 10% tax, but the tax stays in the contract. Isn't that healthy? So you pay a 10%. So let's say I did $25, $2.5, $2.5 stayed in the contract. Here's your minimum. That's why I'm saying you guys should try this. $30 to do this one, 30 BUSD to do this, 40 to do this one, 50 minimum BUSD to do this one, only 60 to do this one. And then there's some maximum, 6,000, 8,000, 10,000, and 12. If you're looking for winning projects, I found at least 2 of them, BUSD Crop Yield Farmers and BNB Miner. Both of these projects are fantastic. All right, you get 1 level referral bonus of 5%. Now here's the thing. When I just did my claim, there's a 24-hour withdrawal down cool period. So let's say at 9 in the morning tomorrow, I won't be able to claim until 24 hours from now. The compound, if I compound it, it cools down for 12 hours for the compound. A 48-hour cutoff withdrawal for anti-whales. There's a maximum of putting 36,000 or 36,000 BUSD in this. And for whales, you can only claim $1,000 BUSD a day. So that's the advantage of somebody not putting 50 or 100,000 in this, and then they kind of drain the contract. The most you can put into this little bad boy is 36,000, and the most you can get paid out a day is 1,000. That should say something to you if they actually put that in their anti-whale control features. A couple other features. This is a planned rewards. There's 4 of them. Special event pools, project statistic. There's a compound function of 5%. The bonus is non-staking, and this is an experimental DeFi farming app. Well, why do we like these so much? Because of the BUSD crop farmers. I mean, take a look at this. I put $250 in the BUSD crop farmers. I've already pulled out $625. Look at right here. I've already got 10 compounds. I'm letting my cart fill up. I got 28 more hours. If I claimed it right now, I'd get $33. But look, I make $42 a day. You blow this up in case you don't see that. Look, I make $42 a day. So for 5 days, I compound. Day 6 and day 7, I let the carts fill up. So 42 and 42 would be 84. So when this little timer runs out, I'll have $84 of BUSD. I don't have to worry about the coin dropping 20 or 30%. I mean, do you know that Avalanche was $80 when I went to Hawaii and I was doing videos from Hawaii in February? Avalanche was $80, 75 and 80. Do you know Avalanche is like $20 to $22 right now? Okay, that's considered the coin dropping. BUSD is not going to drop. So, but because I've had such good success in this BUSD crop farmers, again, put $250 in, transparency, $625 back, a whole 4 referrals. So this is not, I'm not one of these big YouTubers that have got 1,000 referrals or 100 referrals. I got a whole 4 referrals, okay? And look at, on this one, I got a whole 0 referrals. But again, sharing my journey with everybody of how great this project is. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Again, I like the Drip Network. Drip is coming back. My Diamond Team V2. I'm going to have both those linked in the bottom. BUSD Crop Farmers, I'll link in the bottom. And this one right here, BUSD crop yield farmers. Click right here and you can see BNB miners that I just did. Fantastic project. In 1.5 weeks, I'm up 30% of my money. Holy cow. The longest paying miner, 444 days. Well, that was yesterday. 445 days. Click here and you can learn about that. And then click right here and you can learn about BUSD crop farmers. All right, everybody. Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner trying to bring you some winners. Okay, I've had enough losers out there. Some of the node projects kicked our asses. Remember that? How you guys got your asses kicked with some of these node projects? I know I did. Well, these projects, you got to throw some winners in there. All right, thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner, and you have a fantastic day.